Hey there. If your Android phone shows call ended immediately after dialing or your calls disconnect automatically, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by temporary software glitches, network problems, incorrect settings, or a SIM card issue. Follow these steps one by one, and after each method, make a test call before moving to the next solution. Step 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, then tap Restart. Wait for your phone to boot up completely before making a test call. A restart refreshes system processes and reconnects your device to the mobile network. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open quick settings. Tap airplane mode to turn it on. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it off again. Give your phone a few moments to reconnect to the network before testing your calls. Step 3. Clear the phone app cache and data open settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Then select the phone app. Tap storage. Choose clear cache, then clear data or clear storage. Go back, tap force stop, then open permissions and make sure phone, contacts, and microphone permissions are set to allow. Restart your phone and test the issue. Note: clearing the phone app's data resets its settings but won't delete contacts or call history synced with your Google or Samsung account. Step 4. Update your phone. Open settings, tap software update, then select download and install. If an update is available, install it and allow your phone to restart. Updates often include fixes for calling and network issues. Step 5. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset network settings. Confirm the reset, then reconnect your device to the mobile network and make another call. Step 6. Check signal strength. Look at the signal bars on your screen. If the signal is weak, move to an area with better coverage, such as near a window or outdoors, and try calling again. Step 7. Change network mode. Open settings, current connections, event mobile networks. Network mode. Select LTE, 3G or 2G. Auto connect. If you're using 5G, switch to LTE temporarily and see if calls become more stable. Step 8. Test the SIM card. Turn off your phone, remove the SIM card and insert it into another phone. If the same problem occurs, your SIM card or carrier may be causing the issue. Step 9. Contact your mobile carrier. Ask your carrier to verify that your SIM is active, there are no call restrictions, and there are no network outages in your area. If everything is normal, your phone may need further inspection or repair. Hope this fixed your problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Android tips.